Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, we are from PBLAN 605 and to find group identity. The project manager is Mr. Amirul Mukminin and my name is Muhammad Sultan Andriansah and the next is Fadila Ramadhani, Anissa Fahira, Rahel Marsaulina Pasaribu, Salma Dwi Diaulhaq, Guslan Sabta Harahap, and the last is Rayhana Mardia. Background: the evolution of the gaming industry requires experience that are not just interactive, but also features captivating storytelling. Storytelling in games aids player in grasping their objective, boosts engagement, and enhance the overall gaming experience. Therefore, this project aims to create animation products and opening cutscene. Project goals: to create an introductory cutscene that has a straightforward, to produce animate visual that feature colors, lighting, and movement, to complete the animation project in accordance with the established product pipeline. Project idea: this project involves the creation of the 3D game asset for Fine Patria and the 3D version of the game, which is a three-dimensional adaptation of a prior project-based learning. And the next will present by Salma.
Okay, I will explain this slide. This is our mood board, serves as the main visual guide for our project. For the texture style, we choose a tone shaded style with line art, combining flat color with simple cell shading to create a clean look, lightweight, and visual appealing look. For the building style, we selected simple architectural design with vibrant color and a simple shape to create a warm and welcoming environment. For the character style, we took inspiration from Animal Crossing because of its cute proportion, simple design, and friendly expression, which perfectly match the overall concept of our project. Finally, we choose a color palette dominated by pastel and vibrant tone to create a cheerful, cozy atmosphere while maintaining a consistent visual identity across all of our assets. Next slide. Next slide is our dramatic premise. It's a simple hide and seek game. Patria invites the player to play, briefly appear to tease them, and then hides in the crowd. The player must search to Patria in different locations until finally finding it. Next slide will be presented by Guslan.
Okay, next is the Patria the cat. This is our main character, and we're trying to find for. First, we have the color palette, and the left one is the 2D version of the Patria that already made last before the last PBL. And next is the wireframe and solid view, and the last is 3D version of the Patria and also the final. Next slide will be present by Arahel.
Okay, for this slide, present of the final NPC character design used in animation. The NPC consists of the female and female character created in low poly style to maintain a consistent visual aesthetic. Each character is displayed from the front, side, and back view to show the complete model design. In addition, the wireframe and untextured 3D model at the bottom of the image. And next slide. This is the result of the 3D model of NPC girl. And next slide will be presented by Fadila.
Okay, the following is a traditional house from the special religion of Yogyakarta. The Joglo house, in which each room has a own symbolism meaning. Its color are more of burn. Okay, this is a different Joglo house 2D version, made from solid, and Joglo house 3D version. Next slide. Next slide. Oh, okay, this is antique shop. Antique shop I have uh, to reference antique shop. This is antique shop to the reference, wireframe, solid, and finally this is rendered. The next picture.
So I will explain this slide. This is a visual reference and 2D version of Aceh Darussalam Mosque. And here is the modeling process, which includes wireframe and solid views. And here is the result in 3D version. And for the texture application, we use the following color palette. Next slide. The next slide is Burger Shop. This is a visual reference and 2D version of Burger Shop. Here is the modeling process, which includes wireframe and solid views. And here is the result of 3D model. For texturing, we use the following color palette. Next slide will be present by Salma.
Okay, for this asset, we use bookstore reference from the internet as the main inspiration. Based on this reference, we create the 3D wireframe and then complete the final model by adding colors and detail. We choose a pastel color palette to create a warm, friendly, and stylized appearance. Next slide will be present by Guslan.
Next is the police station. We have the police station reference. This is the police station, little bit of future. Next is the wireframe and solid view. You can see, and the last one is the render and the results that the texture that following the color palettes. Next slide.
Okay, for the jam gadang, one of the landmark asset in the animation, the modeling process began by collecting visual reference, followed by the creating wireframe, solid model, and the final texture render. The asset was designed in low poly style while preserving the iconic architectural feature of the jam gadang. Next slide, we're giving back to Rehana.
Okay, in this first slide was a reference tiny house, and the second slide was environment tiny house, and the final is our tiny house. The next slide. The next slide was our properties in Vine Patricia cutscene uh, with tree and another. The next slide.
This is our of concept. Proof of concept is the tree beauty render. And the next slide is creative production during work documentation. And the next slide is Pine Patria poster, PBLAN 605. And this is the our link animation file. Thank you for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.